The Reserve Bank of India has agreed to provide $400 million to the Central Bank of Sri Lanka under its SAARC SWAP facility, which will boost the reserves in the country.
The central bank in a statement said that they have also requested a further bilateral swap arrangement of $1 billion between the Reserve Bank of India and the CBSL, which is under consideration. The statement added, quote, "The RBI's very rapid and timely assistance will serve to boost investor confidence by supporting Sri Lanka to maintain an adequate level of external reserves while accommodating outflows related to imports, debt servicing and, if necessary, support for the currency to avoid disorderly adjustment," unquote. With the end of the delays related to the political development in the country, the government of Sri Lanka and the CBSL have also already revived action to issue international sovereign bonds, obtain term loans and negotiate credit lines through the state banks on behalf of the government. Meanwhile, Minister of Finance and Mass Media Mangala Samaravira will leave for Washington on the 11th of January to get the IMF External Fund facility back on track. Issuing a release, the Minister of Finance says the minister will be meeting with the Managing Director Christine Lagarde, Deputy Managing Director Mitsuhiro Furusawa, Director of the Asia Pacific Department Shanyong Rhee, Team Leader Manuel Goretti and other members of the IMF Sri Lanka team. Minister Samaravira is expected to signal the government's intention to continue with IMF reform programs. A key objective will be to negotiate the trajectory of the continued fiscal consolidation while accommodating policies to support growth and strengthen the social safety net. The Finance Minister delegation to the IMF will include the Governor of the Central Bank, Secretary to the Treasury and other key officials of the Central Bank and the Treasury. Also on Twitter, the Minister of Finance said the Cabinet of Ministers has approved a number of changes to the Inland Revenue Act. One tweet adds, foreign earnings remitted to Sri Lanka through banks on or after the 15th of November 2018 have been exempted from income tax. Further, taxation of interest income of senior citizens and NRFC and RFC account holders will also be reduced.